The charm of Green Cove Springs, Florida, lies in its blend of historic beauty and modern comfort. From classic southern cottages and riverfront estates to contemporary new builds, the city's architecture reflects its vibrant history and growing community. One of the best ways homeowners can preserve their home's character, while adding modern efficiency and style, is through custom window design. Custom windows allow Green Cove Springs residents to choose styles, shapes, and finishes that perfectly suit their homes. Whether you're upgrading for better energy performance, curb appeal, or functionality, the right custom windows can complement your home's unique architecture and lifestyle. Here's how tailored window design can elevate any home in this beautiful Florida city. Highlighting historic character in traditional homes, Green Cove Springs is known for its timeless architecture, with many homes featuring Victorian, colonial, and craftsman-style designs. For these properties, off-the-shelf window options may not always fit seamlessly with the existing aesthetic. Custom window replacement gives homeowners the freedom to replicate historical details while incorporating modern efficiency. Double-hung windows remain a top choice for older homes, maintaining traditional charm while offering easy operation and energy efficiency. Bay or bow windows add depth and dimension to historic facades, creating elegant focal points for living or dining spaces. Custom grills and muntin patterns help preserve period-accurate designs that align with the home's era. With careful attention to detail, custom windows allow you to maintain your home's historical appeal, without sacrificing durability or performance. Enhancing modern homes with sleek window designs. Many newer homes in Green Cove Springs feature open-concept layouts and clean architectural lines. For these modern spaces, custom window designs can emphasize light, space, and contemporary aesthetics. Picture windows maximize views of Florida's natural scenery, allowing uninterrupted sunlight to brighten interior spaces. Casement and sliding windows offer minimalist frames and smooth operation, ideal for modern designs. Floor-to-ceiling or geometric windows create striking architectural statements while improving natural ventilation and visual flow. Custom sizing ensures your new windows align perfectly with your home's design vision, whether that means expansive glass panels for panoramic river views or slim frames that blend seamlessly with modern exteriors. Improving energy efficiency for Florida's climate. Green Cove Springs' subtropical climate means homes face high humidity, bright sunlight, and occasional storms. Custom windows not only match your home's style but can also be designed with climate-specific features for comfort and protection. Energy-efficient features include low-E coatings that reflect solar heat while letting in natural light, double pane or impact-resistant glass to withstand wind and debris, UV protection that prevents fading of furniture and flooring, durable vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist warping and humidity. These customized features help reduce energy bills, enhance indoor comfort, and protect your investment against Florida's weather year-round. Personalizing every detail. Custom window design means more than choosing a shape or size. It's about expressing your personal style. Homeowners in Green Cove Springs can personalize nearly every detail, including frame colors and finishes that match exterior trim or accent your home's palette. Hardware selections in classic bronze, modern chrome, or coastal-resistant materials. Decorative glass options, such as frosted, etched, or tinted panes for privacy and flair. Whether you want to create a coastal-inspired retreat or a timeless southern look, customization ensures your windows are as unique as your home. The value of professional design and installation. For windows to perform beautifully and efficiently, professional design and installation are essential. Experienced installers can assess your home's architecture, energy needs, and layout to recommend the best custom solutions. Proper installation ensures a perfect fit that prevents air and water leaks, compliance with Florida's building codes and storm protection requirements, long-lasting performance backed by professional craftsmanship and warranties. With expert installation, you'll enjoy not only beautiful windows but also better insulation, security, and peace of mind. Final thoughts: in a city as architecturally diverse as Green Cove Springs, your home deserves windows that reflect its individuality. Custom window designs allow you to preserve character, enhance curb appeal, and enjoy the modern benefits of energy efficiency and durability. Whether you're restoring a charming historic home or perfecting a sleek new build, custom windows provide the flexibility, beauty, and performance your Green Cove Springs residence needs. Designed for your vision and built for Florida's climate, they're an upgrade that adds timeless value and everyday comfort to your home.